Today we'll discuss how to rotate the PDCA cycle with data analysis. Hi, this is Mike Negami, Lean Sigma Black Belt. In the last video, we wrote out the functions requested for the operation system in the mentoring program. This is the one we wrote. There are 6 requested categories of functions. Today, I will show you how we'll achieve each category. Since this operation system aims to use existing data effectively, let's review the basics of the data analysis first. The purpose of data analysis is to effectively rotate the PDCA cycle in the target process and prompt operators next specific actions after review the analysis. We call this actionable. My client told me this later. I've become able to find issues while they are small with my PDCA cycle and developed a process to make an action plan every month. Therefore, a goal in this project is to ensure that we'll make all screens actionable. With this in mind, let's discuss about what kind of screen each requested category will have. The first category is the dashboard. It's a screen that lists major KPIs for your target operation, just like a car dashboard. By the way, scorecard is another word similar to dashboard. The purpose of both are similar as well, but the scorecard usually has numeric goals and their actual results side by side and highlights their progress ratios. This is the dashboard screen we made for this project. It shows data which we can understand at a glance the company's condition from and which area we have issues with. This chart shows comparisons between the current results and last year's and the previous month. This is because they are especially important for the company. They update and examine this screen every month, then write any notes about it in the section below. Another important thing is to review the previous month's action plan and think back on your activities in that month. While considering all of that information, write an action plan for the new month below. Indeed, this screen becomes an engine of the PDCA cycle for my client. The second category is goal setting. This is included in the dashboard. Their goal is set as 20% up from last year. The third one is report to outside. This is for submitting to retail stores that sell my client's product. Actionable is important for this also. We should design it based on what kind of action you expect from the stores after they see this report. This time, the purpose is to have the persons who saw this report understand at a glance how well products were sold. Therefore, it's just a simple line chart. This will be a strong weapon for the sales team. The fourth category is demo testing sales management. This company regularly conducts demo testing sales at retail stores. This table shows the timing when inventory of the products in each store are about to run out in light blue highlight, and that indicates the time when the demo testing sales should occur. The fifth category is customer ranking. Prioritize and rank your customers not only by sales but also by many ways in which they contribute to your company. We did it on this screen. Since all companies have limited resources, you can allocate your resources effectively by considering this list. Also, since you can find your company's ideal customer demographic from this list, you can see which similar customers also have high potential to grow. The last category is accounts receivable. The later the discovery of customers' payment issues, the more difficult it will be to solve them. We wanted to make a screen that helps us find those issues at an earlier stage, but unfortunately, we didn't have all the necessary data at that time, so we removed this category from our scope for this project. As you can see at the beginning of the project development, it's essential to decide the final user interface screens first. Then check if all necessary data are available for all of the screens. In other words, begin with the end in mind, then start from the beginning of the process. With this, we completed our user interface screen that helps us rotate the PDCA cycle. It's a good idea to show all screens to your stakeholders and get their approval before moving next. Thank you very much for viewing. Please click the subscribe button. Also, click and watch my other related videos. Thanks.